How to buy a NIMBUS chat AI token. So this token came under the symbol of an AI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, you will be able to see this post on the MEXC account. It's about 6 hours ago. So they said here that the NIMBUS AI launching on MEXC. So as you can see here in this image, so it will be launched today at 9 a.m. UTC on Tuesday, 4th February. So stay tuned and keep checking the MEXC account until you find that it's available on the MEXC and you can be able to buy this token. But if you want to make sure that it will I will show you how. So if you go to MEXC, log into your account. If you don't have an account, there is a referral link down in the description. You can create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDTs to be able to buy this token. So as you can see, you can check this post on MEXC. So as you can see, this is the symbol of the token, NIMBUS. So copy it, now go and paste it in search. So if you find this pair, as you can see, this is our pair, but you will be able to find a countdown. So as you can see, so about 8 hours. So after 8 hours, the token will be available to trade. So if you want to buy it, as you can see, if you click the limit, now you can here type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid for USDT in order to buy this token. And after that, click on buy NIMBUS. So if you click on markets, you can drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have on your account in order to use it to buy this token. After that, click on buy NIMBUS and you will be able to buy this token. So if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.